Good morning to everyone. Now we can move to mechanics of cutting. Cutting tool has a rectangle of alpha and a relief angle or clearance angle. Shearing take place in a shear zone at the shear angle pi. This is show the pictures. The workpiece is in between the blue color and the tool in gray color. This is a moving in the tool in workpiece in the remove metal in the chip formation to create the chip formation. Okay, this is the mechanics of metal cutting. Chip thickness ratio or cutting ratio. The ratio is related to the two angle by tan pi equal to r cos gamma divided by 1 minus r sin gamma. R chip thickness ratio r equal to t1 by t2. T1 is equal to sin theta, t2 equal to cos theta minus gamma. R chip thickness ratio t1 chip thickness of chip period to the chip formation and the chip thickness after separation, as the chip thickness is always greater than the depth of cut. The value of R is always less than unity. Mechanics of cutting. Shear strain. The shear strain in that the material undergoes can be expressed as AB by OC. E equal to AB by OC is equal to AO plus AO by OC plus OB by OC. E equal to cot pi plus tan pi minus gamma. This is denoted the ABC. It is called the cutting angle. Large shear strains are associated with low shear angle or with low or negative rake angle, based on assumption that shear angle adjusts itself to minimize the cutting force. Pi equal to 45 degree plus gamma by 2 minus alpha by 2. Pi is equal to 45 degree plus gamma minus alpha when mu equal to 0.522. Okay, next. Velocities of cuttings. Velocities in the cutting zone. Since mass continuity is maintained, Vt naught equal to Vc Tc or Vc equal to Vr. Vc equal to V sin pi divided by cos pi minus gamma. From velocity diagram we can obtain the equations from trigonometric relationship. V by cos pi minus gamma equal to Vs by cos gamma equal to Vc by sin pi. Note also that R equal to T naught by Tc equal to Vc by V. Forces acting on chip. Friction force, shear force. Friction force F and normal force to friction N. Shear force Fs and normal force to shear Fn. Cutting force and thrust force. Force N and Fs and Fn cannot be directly measured. F is force, N is normal force, F is shear force, cannot be directly measured. Forces acting on the tool that can be measured: cutting force and thrust force. Resultant force. Vector addition. Force and N. The resultant equal to resultant R. Vector addition. Fs and Fn. Shear force and normal force equal to resultant R. Forces acting on chip must be in balance. R must be equal in magnitude of R. R must be opposite in direction to R. R must be collinear with R. Next, the Merchant circle. This is the forces in metal cutting. Equation to relate the forces that cannot be measured to the forces that can be measured. F equal to Fc sin gamma plus Ft cos gamma. N Fc cos gamma minus Ft sin gamma. Fs shear Fc cos pi minus Ft sin pi. Fn normal Fc sin pi plus Ft cos pi. Based on this calculated force, shear stress and coefficient of friction can be determined. Coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction between tool and chip mu equal to force F by N. Friction angle related to coefficient of friction mu equal to tan alpha. Shear stress. Shear stress acting along the shear plane. Shear stress acting along the shear plane S equal to Fs by As. As area of shear plane. As equal to T naught W divided by sin pi. Shear stress equal to shear strength of work material during cutting. Mechanics of cutting. Chip formation. The cutting tool produces internal shearing action in the metal. The metal below the cutting edge yield and flows plastically in the form of chip. When the ultimate stress of metal is exceeded, separation of metal takes place.